In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go right here on More on the left panel and then click on Apps. This is where you can connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. As you can see, I already have an account connected. So let's connect another account. Simply click right here, and then you will be redirected to choose an account to connect to ClickUp. I'm gonna choose one, then continue to give it access. Wait for a few moments, and once you see this, it means you've successfully connected Google Calendar with ClickUp. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.